So going back really quickly to the AI and HPC stuff, the whole retrofit thing is kind of a meme. I mean, you didn't put it that way. I'm going to put it that way in the sense that in some cases, you're having to rip up all of the electrical infrastructure as well. Like it's not even the case that what you have on site with your transformers and substations or your transformers rather, won't be able to handle this. Would the opportunity there then for some of these miners who are trying to cash in on the HPC hype just be that they have the PPAs in place, but they don't have infrastructure? Like another way to ask that, is that the juicier thing maybe for some of these hyperscalers right now?
Yes. And I know this anecdotally by speaking with some of the top hyperscalers and data center companies out there. Like we send them ideas, meaning we send them sites for sale, and they tell us what they're looking for. And like what I've gotten from them in this last, I just ran a process for another pretty large scale infrastructure company that has a bunch of sites. One of the things that stuck with me was my view on that power infrastructure kind of was changed, because I went into that process thinking, okay, even if you have a Bitcoin mining site, all that power infrastructure there, they can just, these data center companies that come in and acquire it can just retrofit the site, and it's going to be less expensive for them. So they're actually able to arbitrage some of the infrastructure that's already there. But what ended up transpiring through our conversations with these data center companies was that, as a matter of fact, we have to, because of like the requirements that we have for power redundancy and data center redundancy and kind of the build specs that we need for our, tier 5 data center with like N+2 redundancy, the way that miners build their sites just don't fit those requirements.